Good morning all, welcome to Pimpalicious Play of the Day on Thursday the 18th of December. One more week, boys and girls, and Santa's on his way. Well, he certainly done the business for us yesterday, didn't he? Delivered the goods in pretty fine style. Let me just take that line off there. That was our final target. We said look for this break, look for the bounce off of here. On a 15-minute chart we got a bounce off of there. It did pop up a little bit, we did get the break, and there was our target, 155, some 250 points lower from the entry, or actually 158.30 we was in on Tuesday on that. 58.30, so it's nearly 400 points up from that stage. So well done to anyone that held that overnight from Tuesday's selection on the comments. Especially well done to Wazza, who set, forget, returned home from work some 250 pips richer. Well done, hats off to you, sir. I know a lot of people sitting there watching a 5-minute chart or a 15-minute chart would have been frightened a few times, would have closed out with 10-15 pips loss or win, but you've done the business. You just put it on, forgot about it, set your limits, set your sensible stops, come back, money's in the bin. Well done, mate, hats off. Okay, now I wanted to show you something. Let me just put this on the 4-hour chart very quickly, and let me just darken this up so you can see what I'm talking about. This is that Euro Swiss, okay? Can you see what happened? I mean, this is a 4-hour chart, so here's our 4-hour 20 and 50, here's our daily 20 and 50, and here's our weekly 20, which you can't see very well, but that's not important. Make that a little bit darker, so you can see that now. So what's happened when that's touched that? It's just bounced off of there and found this a little bit too hard to handle. It's resisting and it's pulled it back. Spit it out, Zach. Well, look what happened here. Can you see that? That's exactly what happened. This is exactly why we took this trade up here somewhere, okay? So it's a nice tight stop the other side. You know, and you can get in quite high, and this actually looks like it could pull back to the 152. I'm all flat on that now. Had my money, time to move on. But the reason I'm showing you that is because I might have another one that's very similar. I'll zoom that right in so you can see. This is CAD yen, okay? No, it's not. Tell a lie. It's Swiss yen. CHFJPY. We're in exactly the same situation, and yeah, it might come up. It might just come up too. Oh, look at that thick beauty. Okay, was that high there? So this could be really the double top material off of here. So we've got a higher here, we've got a high here, which is exactly the same. This could represent a double top. I'll take that away now, and we also have a daily 50 moving average here. I would expect this would have to pull back to the 78.5. You know, it's 300 points, and I think if we could take a cheeky stop loss, 50 pip stop, everyone should have some pips from that Euro Swiss. Take some of those pips. 50 pip stop. What's that level there? 82.30. So it's, you know, it's 40 points. We're currently trading at 81.93. Okay. So also, you know, you've got a big number, you've got 82 coming up, so you've got 3 reasons why this could fall. Okay, double top potentially, daily 50, and the fact that it's the 82 number. Okay, now I'm just going to zoom that in a little bit very quickly. You can see that now at the top of the picture. Is it getting tired? Doesn't look like it, does it? You know, it might start to fall. I'm quite happy in what I would consider some quite tough conditions today. Everything has been, you know, it's just been going through the roof or falling through the floor. A reversal, a cheeky reversal, could be the way forward against the trend, against the 60-minute CCI, against the 4-hour CCI. All you'd have in favour, your favour, would be the trigger. So wait for that trigger to cross the 0-0. I guess in effect I could cheat a little bit for some of you guys that go to work. You know, you'd have to say the guys that do go to work, you're going to have to pay with a slightly bigger stop. Yours is going to be a 90 pip stop. Those of you can watch it fall through this level, 81.49. If it falls through that 81.50, okay, you can just hit it now. I'm quite happy just to hit it now. The stop's much tighter. Okay, I'll just hit it now with a 50 point stop, reduced stake. Then if we do get the setup where it falls through here, does a 1, 2, 3, falls through here, then we can look to build a position. But I think that up at 82 at this level, we can have a 30 or 40 point punt, or risk should I say, and we're going to be aiming for possibly a couple of hundred. I can't really specify any target levels. Obviously 81 would be a fair place to start, 79.50, 79.24, 77.61 eventually perhaps. Okay, this would be our 4-hour 50. So we've got our 60-minute 20 at 80.95. If that breaks, I'm quite adamant that it will go to 79.62, our hourly 50 simple moving average. And if that breaks, let's look at targeting 79.29. So there are a couple of 250 points again in this potential play. Just keep your eye on this hourly chart. Okay, if that starts to tire, look how far it's gone. It's gone 600 points without really having a rest. I think it deserves a little bit of a rest. Let's have a play on that. Anyone that can just watch this, wait for that trigger to cross back through the 0. As that does, then look for that level to get broken. Okay, that's me done for the day, kids. Well done again, Wazza, for yesterday, and anyone else that took that. Brilliant trading. Let's hope we can get some more of that all through 2009. I think everybody's had a little bit of a taster now of what's potential, what the potential is of this setup, of using this chart template. If anybody wants it, or anybody wants to get involved in trading like this, please just send me an email, thefxpimp@hotmail.com. Alright, I'll speak to you all soon. Take care, bye for now.